Hi learners, Robin Basetti again from Seven Rivers, and in today's video we will discuss hometown and weather. This is one of the most repeated speaking part one topic in past few weeks or let's say months. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So here are most repeated questions that have been asked again and again. So to start with, they may ask you this very question that what is your country famous for? For that you can answer like this. Well, there are so many things which can be described as qualities of my country, but to be precise, if I have to say one very thing, that is our culture and tradition. However, these days we are even famous for our new technologies and advancement in almost every field. The second question is, where do you live in your country? So for this question you can answer like this. To be very honest, I am from Haryana, so I will answer this like I am from Haryana and it's in the northern part of my country. Its capital is Chandigarh. It's a very cultural area and the main occupation of people over here is farming or agriculture. The third question is it an interesting place to live? So for that you can say that yes, a huge yes in fact. Our place is very interesting, very entertaining. There are a lot of amusement parks, multi-purpose halls, and the government is used to organize some cultural activities as well. The fourth question is, are you planning to live there in future? Although इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर जनरली हमारा नो होता है बिकॉज क्योंकि हम आइल्स कर रहे हैं, सो द मेन रीज़न इज़ कि हमें अब्रॉड जाना है. बट यू कैन आंसर लाइक well, definitely yes. To be very honest, these days I am doing IELTS, so I'll pursue my higher studies in abroad. But once I'll be done with my education, I would like to return back to my hometown. तो ये बहुत कम चांसेस इस क्वेश्चन के that how is the weather today, but this has been noticed कि ये पहले पास्ट में पूछा गया है. So for this you can say that well, the weather is very pleasant today. It's a sunny day, it's a rainy day, or whenever you are giving the exam, you can address that particular day. The next question in line is, what is your favorite kind of weather? So जब भी हमें फेवरेट और लाइकिंग के क्वेश्चन आंसर करने होते हैं ना, तो हमें थोड़ी एक्साइटमेंट शो करनी चाहिए. सो हम मैं इसको कैसे बोलूँगा? आई विल से विंटर. वेल, इट हैज़ टू बी विंटर्स ओनली बिकॉज आई रियली एंजॉय दैट टाइम ऑफ द ईयर. Everyone is in their houses and at that time we can easily entertain with our families and a lot of festivals occurs by that time. So the seventh question is there any type of weather you really don't like? So for that question, how I will answer is, well, there are no particular disliking, but if I have to talk about one very weather that I don't like that much is summers, because the heat out there is unbearable. Unbearable का meaning होता है जिसे ना सहा जा सके. एंड द एट्थ क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज़ द क्लाइमेट लाइक इन योर कंट्री? कि आपकी कंट्री में क्लाइमेट कैसा रहता है, यानी मौसम यूजुअली कैसा रहता है. सो फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन हम आंसर कर सकते हैं, वेल, वी आर क्वाइट लकी इन दिस मैनर बिकॉज बीइंग अ रेजिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, इट्स quite obvious that I'll enjoy all kind of weathers, not only summer, winters, but autumns, rainy seasons, almost every kind of weather we can enjoy. So it's mixed of everything. However, in summers the heat is quite more and the temperature even goes till 45 degrees Celsius in some areas. The ninth question is, does the weather affect people's lives in your country? So यहाँ पे आप ना काउंटर, अगर वो क्रॉस क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं तो हम भी तो काउंटर आंसर कर सकते हैं. सो हम यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं, वेल, नॉट ओनली इन आवर कंट्री बट ऑलमोस्ट इन एवरी कंट्री वेदर प्लेज एन इमेंस रोल इन नेटिव्स लाइफ. As in rainy days it's hard to work, or in some regions the heat is quite unbearable and not every kind of plants are able to grow there. So the 10th and the last question is, does bad weather ever affect transport in your country? So अभी ये करता है, ये बड़ी ही जनरल चीज़ है. हम ऑलमोस्ट हम किसी भी एरिया में रह रहे हों, रोड क्वालिटीज़ हमारी कंट्री में उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. सो फॉर दैट वी कैन सी दैट, वेल, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, द रोडवेज आर नॉट that very great in my country, and in fact that is one of the very thing that I would like to change. So transportation is hardly hugely affected by the weather, as in rainy season there is water locked on the roads, so it's hard to transport from one place to another. And in the winters the fog is a big reason for lower visibility, or the visibility is not that clear during that time of the year. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Subscribe for